Hey everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your boy again, Apdot, and quick one today. I'm sharing with everyone how to create your own YouTube channel and how to be able to monetize your YouTube channel. Now, basically, everyone just wants to have a YouTube channel, but they don't really know how they can be able to monetize their YouTube channel. So, quick one today. I'll be sharing with everyone how you can be able to create your own YouTube channel and how you can monetize it, how you can make profits from creating your YouTube channel. Just sit back, stay glued, don't go anywhere. So the first process is you have your you should be able to have a Gmail. Before you can create a YouTube channel, you need to have a Gmail that will be logged in on your phone. So you have your Gmail, just go to your Gmail on your phone, log in the Gmail you want to use for the YouTube channel and get it logged in. Then you go to the browser you want to use. You have Chrome, you have Firefox, you have Opera Mini, anyone you want to use. So because of this class, because of this tutorial, because of this beginner class, I'm making use of my Chrome to be able to create the YouTube channel. So what you just need to do is just to go to, let's make use of this. You just go to just go to your browser and type YouTube. Can you see now? This is YouTube. So this is my own YouTube. What's it called now? This is my own YouTube on the browser. So now we want to create a new YouTube channel. I already have a lot of what's it called now, YouTube channel logged in my phone. Because of this class, I'm teaching you all how to be able to create your own YouTube channel. So basically, in any browser you want to use, make sure that you are making use of your desktop sites. Now basically, it is very easier for you to create a channel on your system than creating it on your phone, but because we don't have a system, so we have to change the settings of our phone, of our browser, to a desktop view. So you just come to this three dots by the right hand side of your phone and scroll down. You see desktop sites. Can you see it? So click on desktop site. This exercise will be showing exactly like the way it would show on your system. So you don't just have to worry yourself about not having a system. This will be showing exactly like you having a system. So you just come here. Can you see now? Come here, then click on create. Sorry. Here we go. We already have our picture because I already put the picture I want to use for the Gmail. For the other I want to use on the Gmail, so it will be showing exactly on from the Gmail. The picture I use for the Gmail will be showing on the picture I use for the Gmail will be showing on the YouTube channel. So this is the picture that I really want to use. If you don't want to use this picture, you can change it to any picture of your choice. Can you see now? You can change it to any picture you want to use. You have a lot of pictures coming, a lot of pictures here. Can you see? So you can change it to anyone you want to use. You can try to use this one, but it would cut, so you should just use this one you're using. So you change it, you choose the name you want to use for your YouTube channel, which is Phone Connect. I'm making use of Phone Connect. Phone Connect. So by clicking create channel, you are good to time of condition and everything. So just click on create channel. Just very simple way. Click on network, click channel. So you already have your channel up. So you cannot decide to edit your channel. Like you come to about. Can you see now? You joined. Today is January 10. You joined January 10, 2022. Can you see no subscribers? So customize channel. So now there's an app. It's an app. It's called YouTube Studio. An app. It's very important for you to download it if you're having a YouTube channel. Make sure you download the YouTube Studio as an app on your phone. You can also make use of it via your browser here. So this is it. Yeah. Still creating. And you see, welcome to YouTube Studio. Continue. Can you see now? Customize. We have a lot of features here. In my next video, I'll be showing you how to be able to utilize all these features. So in just this simple, this is how you can be able to create your own YouTube channel in just this simple ways. It's just how to create your YouTube channel. I hope with this you have been able to create you can access your YouTube channel via you can also bring it. Can you see now? This is it. This is our channel. Zero subscribers. So it's our videos you appear here. Playlist, channel, about. Can you see now? This is your YouTube link that you share. So I hope you have been able to learn one or two things about how to create your own YouTube channel. Don't go anywhere. Sit back as I'll be bringing about much more video on how to be able to utilize your YouTube channel, how to monetize it more and more. Sit back, stay glued. Don't forget to refer your friends, and you should like, share, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much.